Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. An audit firm is engaged to audit Delta Manufacturing, a public company. During the engagement, a senior associate assigned to the audit disclosed that her spouse recently purchased a small amount of Delta publicly traded company. The senior associate does not participate in financial reporting decision and believe the investment will not affect her judgment. So it's a small amount and the senior associate don't have any financial reporting decision. What is the most appropriate action under the firm's quality control policies? Now, if you're using Farhat.ai, you could ask the AI to explain the topic for independence here. If not, you can try to answer the question. A. Allow the senior associate to remain on the engagement because she is not in a decision-making role. Even if they're not in a decision-making role, they're out. Or they have to sell the position. They cannot stay. Require the spouse to sell the stock within 90 days while the senior continue working. No, there's no 90 days approach. C. Remove the senior associate from the engagement or eliminate the financial interest immediately. Wow, that's harsh. And the answer, yes, the answer is the harsh answer, end quote, harsh. Remove the senior associate, that's it. Once they have any relationship, direct or indirect, through their spouse, they need to be removed or sell the position immediately. This way, they become independent. So between A, B, and C, I'm going to keep C. Disclose the financial interest in the audit report. No, you don't want to disclose the financial interest in the audit report. That doesn't help eliminate independence impairment. So the answer is C. Now, you could also ask AI to explain the correct and incorrect answer more in depth. And if you want to practice more this topic, you could ask Farhat.ai to create a similar MCQ. What should you do? Go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional resources, lectures, podcast lessons, exercises, true false, video simulation, video MCQs. If you're studying for your CPA exam, that's an investment. And the best investment you can make is invest in yourself, and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.